Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this video, we're going to learn how to modify a list using three predefined functions in Python. First append, then extend, and then insert. So append adds an item to the end of the list. So using append function, we can use only one item each time that we're using and calling this function to the list. Having the extend function, we can add multiple items at the same time to the end of the list. And using the insert function, we can insert an item to the list at a specific position. So let us illustrate these with an example. So we would like to write a program to append orange to the list, extend the list with grape and melon, and then insert kiwi at index 1. Let me illustrate it. So we are having this original list called fruits. It has three elements: apple, banana, and cherry. So when I have this list, the index of apple is 0, banana is 1, and cherry is 2. And we were told to append orange to the list. To do that, I'm typing down the name of the list dot append, which is the name of the function, and in parentheses, I'm typing down in double quotes because it's a string orange when calling this append function. So one more time, fruits, the name of the list dot append, and in parentheses I'm typing down the elements that I would like to add, and because in this case our item is a string, we are having double quote. Okay, and then I'm printing the fruit list one more time. So here I expect to have apple, banana, cherry, and orange finally in the end. So orange is added after this modification to the list. Previously, we were having up until cherry. So let me comment the rest of the code so we see the output one by one. So when I run this code, I have this fruit list being printed: apple, banana, cherry, and orange. So now we learned how to use append to add orange to the end of our list. But this append is very useful when we want to add one item at a time to the list. If we want to add multiple items at the same time, it's better to use the extend function like here. So I'm typing down the name of my list, and I'm putting dot extend, which is the name of the function that we introduced above here and here also. And we were told to extend the list with grape and melon. Okay, so when we are having the parentheses, in the parentheses we need to have a square braces. Be very careful about it. Sorry, square brackets, and then having two items separated by a comma. If we were having three items, we were going to have another comma here, then pineapple, for example, here. Okay, so I'm not going to add pineapple because it was asking only for grape and melon. So we use the extend function. We are having the parentheses here, as we see here. Extend has parentheses, but square brackets are used here and in the start and the end of the function before the end of parentheses, and then we are having grape and melon separated by a comma, and they're in double quotes because they are string. After that, we are printing out the fruit function. So we were having apple, banana, cherry, and orange. So up until here is the same as the last version of our list, but now we expect to have grape and melon in the output as well. So when I run this code, I see apple, banana, cherry, orange, grape, and melon. They are added to the list of ours here in the end. So extend function can help us to have multiple insertion at the same time. Finally, what if we want to add one element at a certain position? For that, we need to use the insert function. And the insert function takes two arguments in the parentheses. First, the index where we want to insert the new element, and in the second part we are typing down the element that we want to insert. So here we are having the kiwi to be added in the index 1. So when I run this code, I expect to have apple as the index 0, kiwi as the index 1, and then the rest of the list like this as I'm typing down here. So everything as of index 1 is shifted to right because we inserted kiwi in index 1. So when I run this code, we see that kiwi is indeed added at index 1 here. So apple, kiwi, banana, cherry, orange, grape, and melon. So in this video, we learned how to modify a list in Python using append, extend, and insert functions. And we also learned the differences between them. For example, append can add item one at a time to the list, to the end of the list. Extend, however, can add multiple items to the list simultaneously in one go. And then we are having the insert function that can help us to insert one specific item at a one specific index or location in our list. Thank you for watching.